Can that pass?
Well, what's the... No, I'm talking about the...
You gotta watch where the hole is at, and that's where the ball's gonna come. Nice shot. Yeah, work on those backhands, don't you? Good shot from the forehand, Adam. Nice. Sweet.